we talk about how can you fix this problem on your funny prank app sounds up. So all you have to do just click here on settings. So when you click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. So it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here. So then when you keep going down, click here on apps. Then you come to apps list here. So just switch into open video, and here you're looking for funny prank sounds. So just click here on search. Then here add funny prank sounds. It's going to show for you like this. You click on it here. So when you just click on it, it's going to show for you like this. Click here on for stop. Then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage. Come to storage list here. So then all you have to do, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do is so you just restart your phone and start it again. Then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.